Whew, it's heating up out here.
Disc golf is a nice, relaxing sport. Being out in nature, being outside, pretty much free. You can play at your own pace, you can play on your own time, and you can play lots of places. Oh, those darn trees. It can be a lot of fun. Can also be really frustrating. Hitting every tree, missing every putt.
All these trees. More trees.
This stupid game.
Oh man. Come on, man.
Never playing this sport again. And then you get those other guys that come up and just do it like it's nothing.
Oh, this is gonna be easy.
Ace in the hole like it's not a problem.
Easy as pie.
Oh yeah, what a great day. I love this sport.